Hello, good morning, everybody. Yes, just to introduce our demonstrator. So I'm Dr. Michaela Kendall, I'm CEO of Adelan. And who is Adelan? We're a Midlands-based clean tech innovator. We've been growing the UK hydrogen and fuel cell industry for the last 28 years through different projects such as this. And this project focuses on the rail network. There's a real challenge in the rail network to decarbonise both traction and estates, and we're supporting that through different use cases. So if you look at the West Midlands trains carbon footprint, most of the carbon is associated with traction, but there is a significant carbon footprint also with the estates and stationary power, so trackside power, emergency systems and in buildings. So our solution is a fuel cell. It replaces combustion generators, and we can use infrastructure fuels such as LPG, or bio-LPG is our favourite decarbonised fuel, but we can also use natural gas and also hydrogen when it's available and at the right price. So we can decarbonise rail through traction and non-traction applications. Solid oxide fuel cell technology, if you want to go into it in detail, come and visit us at the stand. But basically it's a fuel cell, it's a hydrogen technology. It can use the hydrogen within the fuel, and hydrocarbon fuels contain hydrogen. We have a video that we can show you that explains the very basics about fuel cells and solid oxide fuel cells in particular. But I'll just give you a couple of examples of where these types of technologies are already used. So for rail, it's off-grid power. We're making fuel cells up to 2 kilowatts, and this is really a small application, but you can these technologies are modular and can be scaled up to 1 megawatt plus. I've seen a 1 megawatt solid oxide fuel cell operate. At the rail track side, you've got communications, sensors, lights, gates, and backup power. And we just recently did a project with Cohort where we lowered the operating costs by reducing the amount of fuel. Fuel cells are very efficient, so we reduce the fuel use, and so an 8% cost reduction and 12% carbon reduction just by replacing the auxiliary generator. Other use cases are also very clearly outlined on our stand, and our Clear Futures demonstrator downstairs is showing how we can lower rail emissions and deliver clean traction and off-grid power with a regularly fueled generator. So we've got product specifications for those that are interested, and we have a real global network of people that we work with in the hydrogen economy. So we're experts in hydrogen technology supply chains, and we'd welcome any questions and approaches. We've worked with lots of strategic collaborators around the world, so please come and see us on the stand. Thank you.